So what we're making today are some fridge magnets, little fuzzy ball fridge magnets. I've got some made up already, and they're very easy to make. Just buy these balls at the dollar store. They come in a big bag with different sizes in it, small, medium, and large. And the eyes I get at the dollar store as well. And also I got this pack of magnets. I've had to separate them on the table because they like to stick together. So these are very, very easy to make. What I do is I just fluff up the balls a little bit and get my eyes out. And the eyes come in a few different sizes in these bags for whatever your crafts are. They also have them in colored. But today we're just going to use the black and white. And just some clear craft glue is what I'm using, all purpose. So just put a little bit of glue on the back of the eye, and I kind of move it around to spread the glue out a little bit. These eyes are a little bit smaller than the ones I used to make these other ones, but they'll do just fine. I couldn't find the same size at the store. Now I noticed the colored bag does have the same size, so we'll use some of those as well after. So I just put some eyes on there like that, and then just figure out what little ball I want to use for a nose. Kind of mix up the colors a little bit. I think we'll go with a green one on here. Just put a little glue on the back of the ball and put his little nose on. And there you have your little fuzzball fridge magnet. Very easy to make. For the magnet, we're going to put it on the back, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun. Be very careful when you're using a hot glue gun. It does burn. So we'll just put that on the back, like so. These are pretty strong magnets. And there's your little fuzzball fridge magnet. Glue does take a little while to dry. You can also get they have the magnets in different sizes at the dollar store in Canada. I chose to go with the smaller ones. These are a little bit bigger, and you can get the tape as well, which is what I used on the back of these. Just the magnetic tape. And just cut it to whatever size that you want. And that's all there is to making the little fridge magnets. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, and we look forward to providing more videos for you. Have a great day.